So here we are, another year.
Another year. I love the interior design show.
too.
I love seeing what's new. I never get tired.
You're so enthusiastic. I want to see everything I can see with you. Let's get going.
Let's look at the new stuff. Signature kitchen suite.
This is good looking.
Yes, it's small,
A
24
drinks
inch.
fridge.
We're using this everywhere. So
Yeah.
many of these bedrooms.
But
You know what we've been
nice.
using? We actually are using one in the bathroom for cosmetics.
Because they should be cool?
Yes,
I didn't know
they
that.
last longer, so we're doing cosmetic tours in some of the
rarefied
bathrooms.
clients, Brian.
Yes.
It's one of those
Microwave convection, yes.
Yeah.
I love the blue inside.
Yeah, it's good. Very nice.
This is a big fridge. Look at this.
That's huge.
That's a huge fridge.
So here we are at Volvo. This is an XC90 plug-in hybrid. Okay, this dashboard is beautifully tailored.
It is. With
Beautiful.
look at the fabric and the wood
And the
and
top
the chrome
stitching.
and the leather. Yes, look at the
And-
stitching.
I know.
Beautiful.
And the wood grain is
Yeah,
gorgeous.
it's a very warm
and look, they've
interior.
even rounded the wood.
But you feel the texture of the grain.
Oh, yeah.
I can't drive a car without wood in it.
Is that right?
Yes.
Is
look
that
at
a new
this one.
thing?
No, that's an old thing.
Lots of storage
But feel the
space.
grain.
Lots of stuff to connect with.
And the gear
And
shift.
it's crystal.
How comfortable is this car?
It's gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
It's fantastic. Nice big sunroof,
Beautiful.
smoke glass.
I think we need to take this for a drive.
Why not?
We should take
Maybe
this
we should
for a
wait till the show's
drive.
over.
I would drive this car. I love this car. It's
Why
such
don't
a
you
beautiful
try
car.
it?
I'm gonna drive one of these. It's just so beautiful. Oh wow. So it's laser cut.
Yeah. They just think it's cool.
Some cool things here. Everyone's asking for these lately.
Yeah,
My
they keep
clients are
the
asking for
warmers.
warm, like the warming towel bars,
Yeah,
heated towel bars. Oh, it's hot.
yeah,
And look at the traditional one.
yeah. I like this. I like this. This is discreet. Wow, that's hot.
Hot.
It's hot, but it's nice. It's discreet.
It's almost like a radiator for your bathroom and probably add heat
Probably
to the
does,
bathroom.
for sure. It's really
Here,
nice.
yeah, big trend. Here's one where you hook the towels on it.
Oh, I like that.
That's cool.
I'm going to take a picture of that. Look at this color combo.
It's nice to mold. Are they
I
molded
like
plastic?
that. Yeah, matte top.
See, the good thing about the molded plastic, you don't have to worry about rusting and corroding. And
True. It's nice, right?
Very nice.
And that umbrella, how does it go up and down? You pull it?
Oh, you just pull it. Oh,
Sorry,
oh, that's good.
Well, that's good.
it'll collapse. It's just this guy's in the way.
Oh, that's
So
cool.
that's
You just-
interesting.
Yeah, you just hold it by the ribs. Pull it down until it opens.
Let me see how easy that is. Oh, yeah. It's probably easier than being underneath and pulling it up. Very cool.
Thank you. This is acoustic panels that absorb sound, and when you walk inside, it's remarkably more quiet.
Yes, then just standing out here when you walk in, you can do the panels. Look at they painted on them, printed on them. You can see the difference when you come in here. But I may do this in our office because we have on the second floor open offices. And just when people are on the phone, this just deadens the sound a little bit.
I know a lot of people who would love that in our office.
This is a cool table. Oh,
Look
wow,
how
look
the
at the way
drawers
that
open.
opens.
It's beautiful. It's beautiful.
So we made a great reception desk.
Yeah,
It's a fun desk because it doesn't look like a desk.
No.
If you put it in an open space,
yeah.
it looks more sculpted. You put some books
Yeah.
on it, vases,
Great.
and it doesn't look like a desk. It's hard not to be distracted when
That's where we're going to see you
on Sunday.
on Sunday.
Yes. Nice setup.
House of Roll.
These
So
are like
this
my
is
drawings.
creative.
These are like my drawings, my
Yeah.
sketches.
That's creative.
So this is our brand new collection by Riabel, which is called the Authentica.
Look at this. This is nice.
Yeah, so you have this, the drawing
Yeah,
rack.
and then you have the cutting board.
Correct. Separate. So you can put this over here.
You need all this.
There's that gold that you like.
This is like unlacquered brass.
Right.
Much better.
See, I like the fact that you can't sort of tell whether it's brass or nickel when you first look
Yeah,
at it.
and in some jobs it'll be great. Oh, look at that.
So you put the
That's
roll in
for,
there.
you know, that's for foil or glad
Wax
wrap
paper.
or wax paper.
Oops.
Look at that. Okay, you know, I'm too messy for this, Brian.
Well, it would make you organized.
I guess.
That's the whole point of
It
it.
would. Definitely makes you organized.
Look.
Is this scale?
Yes.
Oh. What's that, a dog bowl?
No, I think that's maybe where you put the part of the scale thing. Maybe.
Oh, look at that. That's the downdraft?
Yeah.
Wow.
So this is the downdraft? Yes. Very cool.
I actually didn't believe him.
You didn't believe me, did you?
Wow. This is gorgeous stuff. I guess I must be special. They gave me a bag.
Oh, this is a great company. So you can
Yeah.
use it on walls, ceilings, floors, outside. We're
Yes.
using a huge house in Florida on the ocean, and they're doing a custom stain to match the wood inside the house.
Wow. The grain is
Yeah.
good. It's good. New tech wood. Okay.
It's such fabulous product. We're using those blades on the house.
Very nice.
See those blades? We're doing them
Very
in front of some of the
nice.
windows.
They do this every year now.
I love
They
the
do
color.
these mega sofas. Great color.
Where are you gonna sit?
Here.
It's very
Oh,
comfortable.
let's just stay here.
Let me try it without the cushion because I'm tall. This is very comfortable.
Isn't it
I love the
nice?
color. Okay, my sister had this huge round sofa like this in our house. It was very cool.
Do you like the sheen?
On certain pieces,
Yeah.
on certain pieces. In a specific room I would
Right,
use it.
me
In
too.
a living room I
Me
would
too.
use it. Beautiful.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Are you using gloss more now? Or are
No,
you,
still using
you're
matte finishes.
Have you ever used like semi-honed?
Semi-honed. We did
Yeah.
the fireplace by my desk in the office is a semi-honed.
Yeah.
So you look at it as a little
Half
sheen, but
honed,
not
yeah.
shiny.
This has such a nice feel.
It really simulated natural stone
Yeah,
well.
they do well.
This is Flurco.
And they do bathroom fixtures. Cool bathtub.
Nice thin wall
Yeah,
on the
and that's
tub.
got a nice finish on the outside of the oval tub.
Should have get a big tub, but it doesn't
Yep.
take up as much space. Oh my! I love the ribbed glass.
Yep. This is kind of cool.
Very cool. Look at this. I love this. So Lynda, see this ribbed glass? It's not ribbed glass. It's a solid glass. The ribbing is a film. And doesn't it look like ribbed glass?
So that's a good idea.
Well, what's good about it is with ribbed glass, you have this when it
Yeah.
sets into a channel that can collect water. This, it can't collect any water.
Benjamin Moore. Here we are.
More. Let's see the
Maybe we can
color
sit again.
trends. We can sit here. We can sit again. Here are the color trends.
Okay, we're gonna do some on Sunday. What
Are
do we
we?
think? What's your favorite?
I like this soft green.
I like
so
that.
beautiful. Isn't that beautiful?
Yep, I like
And-
this too.
Yes. And then this
not me.
warm, if you want a gray, this is a warm
I
gray.
like
so
this a lot.
naturals would
Yeah.
go with this also.
I like this. I like this and this.
Yeah, they're all good colors. They're cool colors. It's interesting because this quartz, see how some of them, you'll see,
This is
see the way the
thinner.
veins go all the
Yeah,
way through?
yeah.
And some of them, well, they all do on here.
Yeah, but
That's
it's-
what makes it look
yeah.
natural. So the edge is the same grain.
Yes, and you can carve into it, and
Yes,
it'll
look at
look
this.
the same all the way around.
This really looks like natural stone, doesn't it? So when you cut out for your sink, that grain goes all the way
That's-
through.
Yeah, unlike porcelain where you're gonna get that white halo
Correct.
kind of a look because it's only a print on top, this is a full color.
Very nice.
Nice patterns.
This is a special finish that you can apply a mural
That's very
to.
cool.
Any
So
pattern
you use
you
this
want.
outside?
You can do the fireplace one, or you can do it in a shower.
It just smells like spring.
How did they arrange? How did they arrange water in here?
Oh, but interesting the different woods you can use.
Yeah,
very nice. Very nice.
And this is nice.
Very cool. It's like dowels of wood,
I
dowels
don't
of
know.
oak. No.
Tush.
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 Is that how you pronounce it? Tush? Like a tush?
Yeah. It's like your tush.
Like a tush. Very comfortable.
It's a good name.
Yes, it is. You know it's seating. Wait to hear tush.
Okay, this is what you can do in 180 square feet. Bed,
The bed is here,
kitchen,
which should be all small like studios.
yeah,
should have
yeah,
this.
yeah. Kitchen,
Kitchen, desk,
desk,
it's your workstation.
With nice fluted
fridge,
glass
fridge.
Yeah.
You know
nearly
this,
appliances.
or if you had a guest cottage.
Yes, this would be great. I love all the handmade items.
Yes,
Beautiful.
very
Oh,
nice.
I love them. Look at this. The
Very
handles.
Very nice.
Great work. Look at these log baskets. Aren't they cool?
It's a little heavy, Brian. Will you
need a
carry
new-
it for me?
You need a new bag. It's in
It's hilarious.
Dolomite.
It's a Birkin. So it's a good show.
Excellent show.
What did you love?
Oh, I love some of the wood floor companies,
Yes.
some really beautiful wood
Yes.
floors, a lot of quartz, new patterns, new textures.
A lot of
quartz.
materials.
A lot of materials if someone's building a
Appliances, some great appliances.
fabulous appliances.
It's a really good show.
Great show.
Yeah, we'll see you Sunday, 11 o'clock, main
Yes.
stage, House and Home
Right
Sunday.
there.
We'll be there.
We'll be there.